We heal with zeal.
Together, we navigate
New frontiers.
Hello friends, on behalf of IIP Navi Mumbai, I Dr. Jitendra Gawane welcome you all. Doctor, my child had a ear infection and you prescribed medications with which he is okay within 3 days. Is it necessary to complete the entire course unnecessarily of these heavy antibiotics?
Well, your child has been diagnosed with ear infection and the doctor must have prescribed you antibiotic to cure the infection by killing the germs or bacteria which cause ear infection. And remember, unless you use the antibiotic as prescribed by the doctor in the correct dose, in the correct frequency as advised for the entire duration, the infection will not be treated 100%. It will be half cured, and what is left behind would give you trouble later on. So as to completely cure your child, doctor prescribes you antibiotic, and it should always be completed as prescribed by your doctor. Otherwise, the infection will remain half treated, and that can really flare up later and give rise to complications.
Doctor, my mother-in-law diluted the medication bottle so that it should last for entire 7 days. Is it okay? Child is okay now.
Please dilute antibiotic as per instructions only, because if you dilute more, the concentration of the antibiotic will reduce and therefore it will become less effective. Therefore, please do not dilute unnecessarily.
Doctor, every time you prescribe antibiotic for bacterial infection to my child, he gets relief within 3 days and bottle also gets over. But your course requires 2-3 bottles together because he is 15 kg. So should I avoid that?
Antibiotics are something which are given to cure bacterial infection. They have to be taken in the dose as prescribed by the doctor, maybe 2 times a day or 3 times a day, depending on the disease condition and the antibiotic that is prescribed. And it has to be given for the specific duration that your doctor prescribes. If one strip or one bottle is not going to suffice for the duration for which the antibiotic has been prescribed by your doctor, please go ahead and buy the second strip or second bottle. It is extremely important to complete the duration or the course of antibiotic as prescribed by the doctor. If you leave the treatment halfway through, the child would be partially cured of bacterial infection. The bacteria which remain behind can flare up, cause a disease again, and next time when it causes disease, that time the same antibiotic which has been able to cure the infection may not remain effective. So please use antibiotic as prescribed by your doctor in terms of the dosage, the number of doses per day, and the total duration of therapy.
But doctor, every time only 30 ml bottle is there and we require 60 or 90 ml like of syrup. So it is invariably sometimes we misses last portion of the medications.
Yeah, that is what happens. Remember, the medicines are dispensed and made available in 30 ml bottle because there are some inherent properties. Most of you must have realized that most of the antibiotic medicines are available as dry powder. You add water and reconstitute the medicine, and that's the reason why only a specific limited quantity is dispensed in one go, is packed per bottle, so that when reconstituted, the antibiotic remains effective. And that's the limiting factor for not supplying huge bottles of antibiotic which would last for 1 week or 10 days. So depending on your condition, the doctor would prescribe you a specific duration of therapy that you need to complete, even if it amounts to buying yet another bottle.
Doctor, my kid does not like the taste of antibiotic you prescribe. Can I mix it in a honey or Glucon-D?
Please remember that the content of a juice or food can interfere with the action of the antibiotic. Also, it is not necessary your child might consume the entire drink or Glucon-D, then the antibiotic will become underdosed and less effective. Therefore, I would suggest rather you give juice or whatever the child likes, honey, sugar, after giving the antibiotic, so that the aftertaste of the antibiotic can go away.